Afternoon, everyone. I'm Krista Myers, editor-in-chief of ETF.com, here with a closing bell market minute update. So we do see the major indices in the red, and that's all due to a sell-off in tech in advance of some earnings from some Magnificent Seven stocks, particularly Amazon, which is set to report on May 1st, as a lot of investors are going to be looking to these high growth names and what they have to say about how they view the remainder of 2025 and potential revenue. So let's take a look at some tech-focused ETFs. Let's start with XLK. That is the Technology Select Sector Spider Fund. It is down a little over 0.5 percentage point. But then we also have QQQ. That is the Invesco QQQ Trust. It is also down about 0.5 percentage point. But let's take a look at MAGS. That is the Round Hill Magnificent Seven, ETF. And has all of those Magnificent Seven companies in their holdings. It is also in the red right now, down over 1%. Again, this is a little bit of a breather that we are seeing the markets take in advance of these tech earnings, which are set to happen later on this week. We've already heard from Alphabet, which is the parent company to Google, and we've also already heard from Netflix. But investors are going to be looking to the remainder of the Mag 7 for how they are, again, anticipating the remainder of 2025. Now, when it comes to tariffs, we did have a brief update. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent said that it was essentially up to China to end the U.S.-China trade war and the tit for tat on tariffs. So we'll have to keep you updated, and we'll have to see exactly what the White House says going forward in regards to tariffs and how it's going to impact the economy, the markets, and of course, your investor portfolio.